Hello everyone, it's Robin and welcome back to another Thrift Store Thursday. I hope you guys are having a fabulous day. I am excited to share with you what I found at the thrift store this week. I feel like I found some really cool things, and I think I'm going to try to do them in like order of my favorites. So my absolute favorite, it's kind of between two things, will be at the very end, if that makes sense. So I went to one thrift store this week and I wasn't going to go, but then I decided that, I'll just stop in real quick. And oh my goodness, you guys, I found some awesome stuff. So let us begin with the very first thing. It is a plate. Let's see. It's like one of those commemorative plates, and I thought it would be perfect for 4th of July or patriotic sort of decor. I paid $2.24, and it looks like this. Isn't that cool? I love, of course, the red, white, and blue on it. I love the eagle on it. This tag is kind of in the way here. Let me see if I can take it off real quick. I didn't want to take the tag off before I made this video because I wasn't afraid I would forget how much I paid for it. But I already told you it was $2.24. So here is the eagle. Isn't that cool? I just love it. So it says 200th anniversary year, 1776 to 1976. So when this little plate was made, I was, 2 years old. That's pretty crazy, man. Yeah. So anyways, I just thought it was really neat. I was looking for, more things that I could add into my patriotic decor that's not, just flags and that sort of thing. You know what I mean? To have a little bit of, variety. So I thought this would be nice. And I think I only have one other kind of plate that I've used in my decor. So that was a very good little bargain right there for $2.24. All right, so then the next thing, this is going to be a really short haul, you guys, because I really only have like 5 things. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things. So, which is sort of sad, but amazing because the things that I picked up were pretty amazing. So, I have started lately looking through the goodie bags, like, really consistently. Sometimes in the past I've always just kind of, eyeballed them as I kind of slowly walked by. But now I'm sort of kind of like digging through them a little bit because there's a few things that I've been looking for. And one of the things I've been looking for are wood-handled cookie cutters. Well, I found a bag of cookie cutters. They didn't have any wood handles on them, but there's one cookie cutter in here that I was like, I need this goodie bag. So the goodie bag was $2.24, and look at this. The whole thing is filled up with cookie cutters. So let me open it up here real quick, and I'll share with you what were in there. Let's see. A candy cane. Oh my gosh. A Scotty dog. That is too adorable. That's a pretty tiny cookie though, but oh well. There's a little heart. That's nice. I like the heart. A clover leaf. No, it's clover. Is that a clover? Yeah, okay. What is this? Oh, it's a lion. A lion one. Like some of these I'll know I never would use. Like the lion one, I'll probably re-gift that one. But some of these I might use. This one's like a horse. I know my mom had one of these. I remember them. Because these are the kind with the little handles, that kind of like pop up. And if you push too hard, then the little handle goes down and kind of squeezes your fingers in there. You know what I mean? Yeah. Okay. Here's the club. I don't know if there's going to be... Oh, the bell. I already have the bell. That's pretty cool. So like the Christmas... Oh, and then there's one more Christmassy one. And it's the gingerbread... Oh, wait. Is this a gingerbread? Actually looks more like a snowman. Or maybe it's a gingerbread man. I don't know. Anyways, so there's this guy. But the one and only cookie cutter that I really wanted out of this whole thing was this ginormous circle one. But look, it's got the scalloped edge on it. Isn't that awesome? I have a smaller scalloped edge one that has like the loop handle, like the big loop metal handle, which is what I prefer over these little teeny tiny little handle ones. But the size of this one is what caught me, and I really liked that. So, super excited about this cookie cutter. I really like the Scotty Dog one and the 2 Christmas ones. I'm not so sure about the rest of them, to tell you the truth. But I may keep them on around. Like, these might be kind of fun to do for, like, you know what, Valentine's Day, they decorate a lot with, like, the hearts and, like, Queen of Hearts and stuff like that. That might be kind of fun to do something like that. But anyways, I thought this was pretty cool. I'm very excited about that. Love it. And of course, this little Scotty Dog one. Who wouldn't be adorable? That is so adorable. Love that. So, he would be cute. I'm going to have to put this out right away because I like him so much. He might go on my little counter over here in the kitchen where I've got my other little baking supplies kind of behind my sink there. If you watch my home tour, you know what I'm talking about. Yeah, he's going up there right away. He's so cute. Roof, roof, roof. Alright, so anyways. Alright, so the next item is actually my first Christmas item of the year. I'm so excited. It's a 3-piece thing, and I paid $1.49 each for some adorable little angels. And the first one looks like this. She's holding a little wreath, and look at her cute little red and white dress. So adorable. And she's got some little holly and berries on her head. I think that is so adorable. So let's see. They do have stickers on the back. What does it say? Home Co. Okay, yeah. So that's kind of home interior, right? Home Co is home interior? Yeah, okay. Alright, so then there's another one. This one actually has a broken little wing, which is okay with me, but she only has one wing, which is alright. This one was also $1.49. And look at, she's got a little stack of gifts. Isn't she cute? You can see over here she's missing her wing on this side, but that's okay. I think she's so cute. And then the final one looks like this. And she's got this adorable little stocking and little candy cane, and I just love it. Actually, I think this one's my favorite because I love the candy cane. So yeah, I think that's so cute. So I now have little angels. I do collect angels. I have a few of them at least. But I don't have this set. I may have one of these or some other angel that's from Home Co. That I know for sure I have something like that. So I was super excited to find these. I think they are so adorable. Here's 2 of them. Aren't they so cute? Hello. So cute. So anyways, I was super excited to find these. I like gasped out loud when I saw them on the shelf. I was like, oh. And I like quick went over and looked at them and yeah, they're only like $1.49. I'm like, totally mine. And they are so adorable. Love them. Alright, so that brings me to the very last, or the last 2 things. And like I said, I can't decide which one is my favorite. So I'm just going to grab the one that's closest to me. It was $2.99. And it is, oh you guys, I can't believe it, another oil lamp base. I am on a roll with these things. So which one does this? This makes 4 for me since the beginning of summer. My first one was the red one that I have in my windowsill. And then within 2 weeks, I found like 2 more. And then I found another one. And now I have this one. So I'm super excited. I have yet to use these though. I have cleaned them all up. Well, this one I haven't cleaned up. And you know, I found one globe or a chimney for the top of one of them, which I have in my windowsill. So I just need to get to the store and like buy the stuff that you burn, so that I can actually use it because I am dying to try them out. So anyways, so this one, let's get back to this one. This one I love because it's like short and squat. The other ones all have like, you know, the nice little tapered leg on them. So I thought that was very interesting. It's got like this ribbed, is it gonna show up? It's got some ribbing here. And then it's got like these, I don't know, diamond kind of shape around the outside. Hexagon, squarish, I don't know. What would you call that, guys? I don't really know what you would call that. Can you see that? Anyways, I thought that was pretty cool. And then it's got, you know, a little bit of a lip at the bottom for a little more added interest. So I just think this is so cool. And seriously, it was only How much did I say it was? $2.99. Crazy. So I'm pretty excited about this. Once again, now I need to find 3. Now I need 4, what do you call them? Chimneys. But that's all right. I've been trying to figure out what size chimney to get. You know what I mean? Because I can't find anywhere that actually tells you. But I love it because the little thing still works, which is awesome. I did watch a video, though, just in case you guys have one of these at home, that the shape of your wick actually depends on, can give you different types of light. When you go straight across like this one is straight across, it gives out the least amount of light. If you cut it in like a diamond shape so that the top is the pointed top, it gives out a little more light. But if you curve it so that it's like a circle on the top, like elongated, like oval shape, that gives off the most light. Things you learn. So anyways, that's what I've been told. I watched a YouTube video on it, so it must be the truth, right? So anyways, pretty excited about this guy right here. Love him. I think this guy's going actually in my bedroom. I would love to have one in my bedroom. So I don't have one in there yet, and I think that's where it's going. So love that a lot. You guys, this last item, I love it so much. It was $2.24, and it is so cool. I saw it on the shelf, and I was like, oh, I have to have that. I don't know how much it's gonna cost, but I'm totally gonna buy it. I don't care. And it looks like this. Isn't that cool? I love this so much. It is nothing extra special or anything like that. It's just one, like a reproduction print on like that tag board stuff. It does have a signature. I didn't realize that before. What does it say? Edmund Edmund. I don't know how to pronounce that. Osthaus. I'm not even going to try to pronounce it. But anyways, so it does have a signature. Let me see if I can get it to show up for you guys. Right there. I don't know if that'll show up for you guys or not, but it's right there. Anyways, I thought this picture was absolutely awesome. I think right away it's probably going to go on top of my hutch behind like the oil lamps that I have up there. I think it would look so cool up there. But eventually it will make it downstairs into my little display area down there that I've got for like the camping motif that I got going on there. I just think like a couple like dog photos would be really cool down there too. So I am going to head it into that mix. So loving this so much. This just makes me so happy. So that is the last thing for my haul today. Can you believe it? Like I said, very short haul, but fantastic finds this week. I love the dog print. I love the oil lamp. I love the little angels. I love the plate, and I love the cookie cutters. So I mean, it was a win, 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 win all the way around. So I hope you guys had a good win this week when you guys were out at the thrift stores in your neck of the woods. Well, I would love to know down in the comments what you found this week. If you didn't get to the thrift store, which is sad times, I understand. It is not cool to not be able to get to the thrift store. But if you didn't make it to the thrift store, which of these items that I picked up was your favorite? Which would you have picked up if you were in the store with me and we had to fight over something? What would you pick up? All right, guys. So that's gonna be it for me today. Thank you, as always, for hanging out with me. I appreciate it so much. I love being able to sit down here and just chat with you like you're my best friend, and we're just having coffee together. And I think it is so much fun. I enjoy my Thrift Store Thursday videos so much. So I appreciate that, and it's all because of you guys and your comments and your interaction with me, and I just love it. I just want to appreciate that so much. So I just want you guys to know that how much I truly, truly do appreciate you stopping by and hanging out with me every single Thursday. So if you are new to my channel, love it if you could subscribe, and then of course hit that thumbs up button, guys. All right, we will see you next week for another Thrift Store Thursday. In the meantime, happy thrifting, and we'll see you soon. Bye now.